Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing Crestfield Farm, Day 1, Season 1. So let's go straight into it. First up, we got the Ford TW20 on the little blue tipping trailer, getting ready for silage, which will be coming up soon. Next, we've got the 3140 on the John Deere 3765 forager, and the man there is just sharpening up a few knives and just sorting it out ready for when silage comes. We've also got the Massey Ferguson 135 just sitting there in the shed. Then also, I don't know if you can see, but there's the Massey Ferguson 395 in there as well, and just a few implements around the yard. Into the main farm. So in this shed here, we've got the John Deere 690 combine waiting there, ready for when the wheat harvest comes. Then we've got the John Deere 8345R along with the JCB telehandler and the John Deere 7310R with a loader, just getting ready to be used. Out here we've got the John Deere 7500 forager, and that's getting ready up for maize, because the maize will be ready soon, so we'll be doing maize harvest soon. Just a load of attachments there, and the farm manager's BMW. Land Rover. We also have the John Deere 5820 on the Coon hedge cutter, just doing a bit of hedge cutting in this arable field here. Onto this yard here, we've got the John Deere 6920S on the Cane Classic, which is going to be carting maize, along with the John Deere 7530 Premium on the 16-ton half pipe. Then over here we've just got the little slurry tanker next to the slurry pit, and the NC muck spreader in the manure pit. Over here we've got the brand new John Deere 6250R, and the man's just got out of there to go and sort out these two tractors over here. In here, silage pit is waiting ready to be used. Soon there will be silage in there. And just here is the older 6195M, which has been replaced by the 6250R, and they're just taking that over to the dealership. Over here we've got the Ford 66000 on the little trailer there, and the cattle are just in the bay here. We've got the farmer's son, who's driven up here into the old orchard with the 3650 and the log splitter, and he's just starting splitting all of this wood in here. Also got the old trailer that he's loading it all up into. Over here in the stables, got the farmer's wife and their son just going out for a ride, and there's a couple of horses in the stables here, and the Land Rover and the horse box just there, parked up. And then we've got the little muck spreader just waiting to be loaded up with the horse manure that's in there. So in here we've got the silage field, the first one that's going to be ready, and they've spread manure in there recently, so that'll be ready soon. Alright, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do feel free to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.